friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If you haven't done so already, please do me a favor, subscribe to become part of our family. Also, as this video is playing, check the description box. I have curated a special list of items that fit in perfectly with the theme of this video, which of course is how to style your teenage girls' bedrooms. This was a viewer request. I think it's an awesome idea, and I hope you guys like the gathering of looks that I have put together for you. As always, comment your favorite down below and let's get started. When you're a teen girl, your bedroom isn't simply a place to sleep. It's a multifaceted room. It's where you chill out, where you hang with friends, decompress after a long day, study, do homework, and basically escape from the world. If your daughter or granddaughter or niece's bedroom still has teddy bear wallpaper on the walls or childish accessories she thought were cool when she was 7 years old, it might be time for a bedroom makeover. A lot of the rooms on this curated list are weekend makeovers that won't break the bank. Awesome, cool, trendy bedrooms nearly any teen girl would die for. I have gathered more than a few teen girl bedroom ideas to help inspire you and that special teenager in your life. Your teenager's bedroom may be among the hardest rooms in the house to design because you want it to spotlight and nurture their personal style and interest while still ensuring that it fits in with the rest of your home. Plus, it needs to be versatile enough to grow with them through the precious years that they have left at home. Perhaps the trickiest of all, you want to avoid any nuclear meltdowns from you and your teenager over any decorating disagreements. Alright, home decor lovers, which one of these feminine and beautiful teenage girl bedrooms most inspires you and why? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, it's tricky to say which one inspires you. So maybe I should just say, which one would you see in your home, or which one do you think that a teenage girl would love? Go ahead and comment down below. I'm going to put a dupe of this light in the description box below, but let me just say I would have loved to have a vanity when I was a teenage girl, especially one as cool as that. But look at the colors in this room, absolutely gorgeous. Don't think you always have to go with pink for a little girl. Every teenage little girl that I know has a thing for string lights. I think they're absolutely gorgeous and can definitely set the mood or vibe in a room. Speaking of a weekend makeover, how quickly could you do this pallet bed? It looks so simple. I feel like everyone could put this together really quickly. I've seen custom lights like this available on Etsy and Amazon, and sometimes you can personalize what you want it to say. Talk about a room that can grow with your daughter. I would have loved either one of these rooms when I was a teenager or even in college. These are beautiful. If you have a super creative daughter, paint one wall using chalkboard paint and let her loose. Just let her creativity flow. This room just looks so cozy, and I am loving the big poof pillows and chandeliers. If you want to switch things up in your teenager's room but don't have a lot of time or money, shop your home and create a really cute and feminine gallery wall above her bed. You know, I feel like black, white, and yellow is a really underrated color combination. This room is dark and moody, and I love it. And having an egg chair is always a great idea. These wall decals are available at Amazon or Big Lots and can be easily applied and removed. Here are more string lights. Lighting can always make a room feel different. Alrighty guys, so I've already asked you to comment down below your favorite. If you want to know mine, it is this boho beauty right here. Everything from the color, the string lights against the wall, the pops of green with the plants, and just look at how comfortable this bed looks. If I was a teenage girl, I think I would never want to leave this room. I almost feel like I don't want to leave it and I'm a grown woman, but definitely comment and let me know your favorite down below as well. Alrighty guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a huge thumbs up and share with other home decor lovers out there. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Thank you for watching and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.